Friends, if you've ever wanted to go on an Italian art retreat with other like-minded students to explore painting together, delicious food, well, here is our story of our art retreat we just went on last October. So a whole group of us got together, 14 in total, to the Masseria Specula, which is in the southern coast of Italy. This is a restructured, refurbished farmhouse. We were able to arrive and we did the short 20-minute walk to the beach to explore the area. The beauty is just so hard to express, the calm, the peace, the fresh air. We've got to talk about the painting classes. So we had 7 in total. They were each about 2 hours typically, but often students would stay in the painting studio a lot longer to finish their pieces. We also had painting classes on the beach, and there was one where there was a specific instruction of what to do, but there were other times where we went to the beach because it was so close and people would just get out their sketchbooks, their painting supplies, because that's what they wanted to do. That's what they were here for. One of our excursions was to the historical district of Lecce. Beautiful historical buildings. We got to explore, just sitting out on the patio, having some drinks, having some hors d'oeuvres, enjoying time together, of course, painting together and sketching if that's what people wanted to do. We spent a lot of time at the beach, being able to explore the area, taking reference photos, taking videos, kind of learning from each other on what our preferences are. Flamingos over there you can see at the Flamingo Lake, also pretty close by. We got to explore the area, walking, as well as taking our bikes out there and just breathing in the fresh air, being calmed by the ocean. It's not the ocean, it's the sea, but it still reacted like an ocean. Sometimes the waves were calm and sometimes they were crazy. We even got to swim a little bit. The beautiful weather in October, it was perfect. So being able to talk to other students and to learn from each other and to hang out was such a blessing. Being able to see, smell, taste, touch, and hear new things, new experiences. We had lots of free time as well as the painting classes, as well as the excursions, as well as eating delicious food. Here you can see some of the clips of the things that we painted. I wanted to make sure that we did the classic florals that I'm known for, but also sketching and doing landscapes and objects and just trying to get that full experience. We had the privilege of this tour guide taking us to a local hiking spot. It was just down the street from where we were staying, and this was such a beautiful experience. It was an optional thing, but a lot of us decided to go just as the sun was starting to set, and we were getting this beautiful experience, seeing old, ancient olive groves and being able to be out in nature, experiencing the fresh air and the sunshine, and just quality time, having conversations. One of the fun things we got to do in the venue is learning how to make homemade orecchiette, the little ears pasta, from scratch. And the nonnas here were so beautiful and kind. To demonstrate how to do this, we all had to give it a shot, and we were making our own meal because then we had that pasta in the evening. And there you can see just dancing and having fun. The attitudes they had were so uplifting. And even though we didn't speak Italian and they didn't speak English, we were still able to communicate together, communicating through food, through gestures, through trying, and just having some learning experiences and growing some friendships as well. Had the music going, and the singing and the dancing has to be included when you're making pasta. So this is something that was unforgettable, and I'm so excited that we signed up to do it. There was a lot of downtime to just sit and chat. For example, the cappuccino machine was out all the time. You could do a little bit of a coffee all the day if you wanted. Here's the Masseria, a different perspective. I did a little sketching on that. The food was incredible. It's completely vegetarian, but the flavors were intense. My friend Valeria, who helped me with photography, also gave us the pleasure of hearing her sing a few songs to us and uplift us with her message and her testimony as well. We got to go biking and walking around in the local town. There was hardly anyone there. It just felt so peaceful and relaxing. Painting with these 13 other people was such a blessing for me. I learned so much from them, and the happy memories are something I'll never forget. It also felt quite sad when we realized our time had come to an end and I saw the empty classroom that last night before we left. I'm so thankful for the new friendships that we developed over this time, and we're going back this October. I hope you'll join us.